Today we're going to walk through how to connect your phone to the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. What you're first going to do is make sure that your phone is out and your vehicle is running. You're going to go to your home screen and then your phone menu, and you want to connect a phone and then add a phone. Whenever you do that, you go to Bluetooth and wait for My Chevrolet to populate in the other devices. Click on that and it will generate a code on your vehicle and on your phone. If those are correct, hit pair and pair. And then in here, it's going to ask you if you want your contacts to be synced up. With that, you will allow it. Whenever a incoming call is coming through the vehicle, it will display a name instead of just a phone number. And then this little pencil icon is going to give you some customizable features with the phone. So if this is your primary phone, you're going to hit first to connect. And essentially, every time you get in the vehicle, it's going to connect to that phone. If you want to set up a secondary phone, say you have children or a significant other, and you want their phones to also be able to play music, it will allow that to happen.